Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials so the restore won't fail. Sign into the same Apple ID, confirm the iCloud backup date, and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure your device has enough battery or is plugged in, because interruptions corrupt restores. Now go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content. This begins the process. And why we erase. A clean install ensures the backup can apply without conflicting data. You continue by following the setup assistant. When you see apps and data, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the most recent complete or largest backup, because size often means more content. While the restore downloads, leave the device on and connected to Wi-Fi. Downloads can pause if you switch networks. If apps reinstall slowly, let them finish in the background. The system prioritizes account and message data first, then media and apps, which is why patience matters here. You wrap up by checking that contacts, photos, and iCloud Drive show the expected items, then sign back into Apple ID passwords and open key apps to complete setup. If progress stalls, try a soft restart first because that often clears temporary hiccups. If problems persist, connect to a Mac/PC and restore the backup via Finder or iTunes. This bypasses some Wi-Fi issues. One troubleshooting tip: if an iCloud backup remains incomplete, free up iCloud storage or delete a corrupted backup before retrying the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.